Hey everyone, trying to create a new Snapchat account but facing complications? Whether it's due to errors, blocked attempts, or something else, I've got you covered. Without further delay, let's dive in. Before you follow anything, here's what you need to do. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Developer Options, scroll down, find out Graphic Driver, find Snapchat, select System Graphics Driver. After that, go back, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling, scroll down, tap Mobile Data Always Active. After that, just restart your Android and your problem should be solved. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. To do this, open a browser on your phone. Search anything to verify your internet is working. If the connection is slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works or not. Solution 2. Make sure your phone number or email isn't linked to another account. Snapchat won't let you create a new account if your phone number or email is already in use. Here's how you can check and resolve the issue. If you have previously used this email or phone number, try logging into that account again. Alternatively, use a different phone number or email to create your new account. Solution 3. Clear app cache and reinstall the app. Long press on the app icon, tap on the I button, go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache, and after that, force stop the app. Uninstall and install the app. Solution 4. Use a VPN. Sometimes Snapchat blocks new account creations in certain regions. Using a VPN can help you bypass this issue. Go to Play Store, search for Secure VPN, install it, open the app, connect to a server, then again, try to open new account on Snapchat. If the problem still persists, wait for some moments and try again later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.